Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful low curly chignon hairstyle. First of all, we're going to section out the front parts of the hair, working from the crown of the head to just behind the ears, and just clip these out of the way until later. Next, divide the remaining hair from ear to ear and clip the top section out of the way for now. Gather the remaining hair on the bottom section into a low ponytail and just secure with a clear elastic band. Next, all you want to do is just make a small hole behind that elastic and pop your fingers up through it. Grab the ponytail and pull it through and down so you're creating a small twist. Then just use your fingers to pinch and pull at the sections just to loosen everything up. Just apply some texture spray onto that ponytail and massage it in. I'll leave the products I use down in the description box below. Then all you're going to do is split that ponytail in half and create a loose twist and secure this with another clear elastic band. Once you've done that, just pinch and pull at that twist just to make sure it's nice and messy. Grab the ends and just tuck it into that hole we made behind the elastic band on the ponytail and just secure that with a few bobby pins. Go ahead and release the top section down and gather it as close to that bun as you can and just give it a slight twist and secure to the head with a bobby pin or two. Again, apply some more of that texture spray and soften up the look by pinching and pulling all across the top section just to give it a bit more volume and texture. Take the tail ends and again create another loose twist and secure with a small elastic band. Apply a bit more texture spray if needed and loosen everything up by pinching and pulling, just like we did for that bottom ponytail. All we're going to do is loop this around the little bun shape we've already made, so just take a couple of bobby pins and secure this to the head. Release those front sections and I've left a few tendrils out just to make everything appear a little bit softer. Twist this section towards the head and loop it over the top of the chignon and just secure it underneath with a few bobby pins. Gently pinch and pull at that twist to make it nice and voluminous, securing with bobby pins along the twist as you go. And then we're simply going to repeat that on the opposite side. So just twist that section towards the head, take it around the chignon and pin it at the bottom. Add some more texture spray if needed and gently pinch and pull at that twist for a bit more texture and volume, and secure to the head with a few more bobby pins. Apply some hairspray so everything stays where it should be, and that's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.